Key performance indicators. A key performance indicator is a value used to screen and measure the performance and efficiency of an activity or a process. There are many key overall performance indicators in most industries, some are almost every day in the business world, such as Internet Earnings Margin. Basically, a KPI must be well-defined and measurable, aligned to your business strategy, applicable to your business area or department. KPIs are related to an organization's strategic goals. These goals can involve increasing sales, decreasing costs, improving customer satisfaction, decreasing the percentage of defects. Leading and lagging indicators. Leading and lagging indicators are metrics that evaluate a business's current conditions and predict future conditions. Proper use of key performance indicators. Each KPI should include specific goal, one way to measure goal progress, achievable, realistic, relevance to the operations, a sensible time frame for the organization. Every department of a company has own KPIs. For example, cost of products sold can be an example for the finance department. One effective KPI for the human resources department can be the measurement of employee turnover. Every department's KPI should contribute to overall success of the organization. Outstanding challenges in developing key performance indicators. 1. If the organization's approach and key goals are not clear at this time, warning signs tend to focus solely on monetary results. Over-reliance on monetary indicators leads to an unstable and incomplete view of a business's health. 2. Measures that are considered vital in one environment of the business may no longer be viewed as vital by others. 3. If the compensation is tied to the core objectives of the general performance indicators, conflicts of interest are built into the process. 4. It can also be difficult to accurately measure and report symptoms or may not be possible if the internal reporting device to guide them is not established. A single KPI range does not describe how a scenario came about or how to develop it. However, a well-defined KPI set can cover numbers that affect where conditions worsen and how they can be improved.